sildenafil was developed by Pfizer as a treatment for angina and high blood pressure. The clinical trials showed it was not particularly effective for either. Pfizer was preparing to abandon the program. When researchers asked trial participants to return their unused pills, the male participants refused. The drug was relaunched as Viagra. In the early 1990s, Pfizer researchers were investigating compounds that inhibit an enzyme called PDE5, which plays a role in regulating blood vessel dilation. The hope was that inhibiting PDE5 would dilate coronary arteries and relieve angina in cardiac patients. The compound UK92480, later named sildenafil, went into clinical trials in Merthyr Wales. In 1991, the cardiovascular results were underwhelming. Sildenafil did not significantly outperform existing angina. When the trial was wound down and patients were asked to return their remaining pill supplies, the research nurses noticed an anomaly. The male participants were conspicuously reluctant to hand them back. Upon further investigation, the unexpected side effect became clear. Pfizer pivoted the entire development program. The compound already had safety data, dosing information, and an understood mechanism. It dilated blood vessels and smoothed muscle tissue. It simply needed to be pointed at a different. Viagra was approved by the FDA in 1998. It became one of the fastest-selling pharmaceutical products in history, generating over $1 billion in revenue in its first year. The drug that failed at its intended purpose became one of the most successful pharmaceuticals ever produced, because researchers noticed that trial participants wanted to keep the pills. Follow for invention and discovery facts about the accidents that built the modern world.